If your yawns are contagious, you're part of a fascinating mystery. Let's dive in. Yawning isn't just a sign that you're sleepy. Scientists believe it's a way to cool down your brain. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air, stretching your jaw and increasing blood flow to your brain. This helps regulate its temperature. But wait, there's more. Yawning is also contagious. Seeing someone yawn, even in a video, can trigger your own yawn reflex. It's thought to be a way for social animals like humans to synchronize behavior. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember it's your brain's way of staying sharp and connected. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts.